If you are a newcomer and you're looking for a job and you don't know where to start, this video is for you. My name is Nafisa Ahmadi. I'm a student of Career Development Professional, and this is my presentation for the Technology and Career Development course at Conestoga College. Together, we will learn how to use social media to find a job, and we'll see a list of do's and don'ts of social media for job searching. And at the end, I'm going to introduce the best social media platforms to you to boost your job searching techniques. According to Investopedia, social media is a computer-based technology that facilitates the sharing of ideas, thoughts, and information through the building of virtual networks and communities. It's a powerful tool that can help you not only connect to your family or friends living overseas, but also to your potential employer. Some are designed to convey links and short messages like Twitter. Others make it possible for you to share videos and photos like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. To take most of the social media, it's better to target those professional platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter. First, you need to create a profile for each if you don't already have one. Then try to find and connect with people who already are working in your field. Writing a short invitation note about who you are, what are your achievements, and also where you're requesting to connect can be a good idea, but remember to keep it short and concise, friendly but professional, and please do not use one template for everyone. Do some research and gather information about the job, the industry, and the company you're interested in. If you got confused and didn't know where to start, I would suggest looking up the job bank. The job bank is an employment website operated by Employment and Social Development Canada. It provides an online database of job listings in Canada, as well as other employment services and information for recruiters and job seekers, including career planning, resume creation, job matching, and notification. It is available as a website and app for both iOS and Android. Finding a job, exploring the market, and choosing a career are some of its features. Now that we've set up our professional profile, let's take a look at the list of do's and don'ts of using social media for job hunting. Number 1. Set up a LinkedIn profile and being an active member. LinkedIn, with almost 740 million users with over 55 million registered companies, is one of the largest professional social media platforms, a place that you can share your thoughts and discuss different topics, joining a professional group and build your own online reputation. It's a great place to access job opportunities. Number 2, don't have an account everywhere. Being active doesn't mean having an account on every platform. Let's focus on only 3 leading websites, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, and try to keep your profile updated instead. Number 3, use your real name followed by a professional email. When you sign up for a professional platform like LinkedIn, it's better to use your real name. It's more professional to have an email that includes your first and last name, too. That makes it easier for the recruiter and employer searching you online. Avoid using nicknames, inappropriate names, or characters when creating your email addresses. Number 4, friendly but professional profile picture. A perfect profile picture helps make the best first impressions. Some helpful tips are using a proper light and solid background, making eye contact with the camera, and wearing appropriate clothes. Also, don't forget to smile. Number 5. Don't share everything. Your online presence is one of the first things that the recruiter will check. If you don't want them to know how you spent last weekend with your friends, drinking or smoking, it's better to either remove those pictures from your page or not publish them publicly. Most of the platforms have some features that allow you to choose who you want to see your profile. Number 6. Don't ask a professional for a job opening. Instead, try to connect with them on LinkedIn or ask them for an informational interview if they have time. An informational interview is an informal conversation you can have with someone working in an area of interest. It is an effective research tool and is best done after introductory online research. It is not a job interview, and the objective is not to find job openings. Now let's take a look at the most frequently used websites for job opportunities. You've already known one of them, LinkedIn. According to the Recruiter Nation Survey 2020, 72% of recruiters use LinkedIn to find their candidates. So it's a handy tool for both job seekers and employers. Facebook with 60%, Twitter and Instagram in order with 38% and 37% are the following powerful and popular social media channels. Some tips will help you to make use of these platforms. Number 1. Highlight your skills, education, and experience that hiring managers are looking for. Don't forget to put all your achievements and your accomplishments so that recruiters can match their requirements. Number 2. Google yourself to see what comes up. Clean up every inappropriate post or comments that ruin your chance of getting hired. Number 3. Let your networks, including your family members, family friends, and your former colleagues, know that you're actively looking for a job. You never know. Remember, networking is key in Canada. Number 4. Update your knowledge. Use your social media to upgrade your knowledge in your industry. You can find so many free online videos and training on LinkedIn, YouTube, and IGTV on Instagram. Number 5. Use Twitter to demonstrate your expertise. Follow your desired company on Twitter and expand your network there. Don't forget to use a professional photo there as well. Number 6. Set up notification alerts for the pages or profiles you follow, so you will be among the first people who will notify if there is an opening. Last but not least is whether you're looking for a job or you're thinking of changing your current position. Remember, job searching is like a full-time job. It needs your full commitment. Don't lose your hope. Building life in a new country is tough. But if you put your efforts into it, it will all be paid off. Thanks for watching and listening to my video.